There is still so much to learn in this world. Let's explore it together. Learning is addictive, only at EduCaddict. We start in the world of motorcycles, two-wheeled vehicles known for their speed and agility. But this one is far from ordinary. Its name is the Leonhardt Gunbus 410, the largest and heaviest motorcycle ever produced. Built in Germany by Leonhardt Manufacturing, this bike is exceptionally long, measuring 3.47 meters, longer than a city car. It stands almost 1.5 meters tall and weighs over 650 kilograms. Its massive engine has a capacity of 6,728 cc's, larger than most sports cars, making this motorcycle more of a mechanical monster than a daily ride. Next, we move on to the longest car ever made, known as the American Dream, a record-breaking limousine with insane proportions. First built by J. Orberg in the United States in 1986, this car has a total length of around 30.5 meters, longer than a double-decker bus. Equipped with 26 wheels, it even includes a small swimming pool, a jacuzzi, a bed, and a mini helipad at the back. The American Dream is mostly used for exhibitions and films as a symbol of extreme automotive extravagance rather than regular street use. From land, we go to the world of giant mining vehicles. Introducing the BelAZ 75710, the largest dump truck ever to operate. Built in Belarus by BelAZ Manufacturing, this truck has been in service in mining operations since 2013. It's the size of a two-story house, measuring about 20.6 meters long, 9.8 meters wide, and almost 8.2 meters high. Its empty weight exceeds 360 tons, and it can carry up to 450 tons of rocks or mining material in a single load. The BelAZ 75710 is a backbone of large-scale mining operations in several major mineral-producing countries. Moving on to intercontinental transportation, we enter the world of trains. The longest train ever recorded in operation is a mining convoy in Australia known as the BHP Iron Ore Train. This train set a world record in 2001 with a total length of 7.35 kilometers, consisting of 682 wagons pulled by 8 locomotives. It's used to transport iron ore from the remote inland areas of Western Australia to export ports, making it a vital part of the global supply chain in the metals industry. From land, we head into the sky to the largest airplane ever built, the Antonov An-225 Mriya. This giant aircraft was built in Ukraine by the Antonov Design Bureau and first took flight in 1988. The aircraft is 84 meters long with a wingspan of 88 meters and a height of around 18 meters. Its cargo bay has a volume of over 1,300 cubic meters, allowing it to carry up to 250 tons of cargo in a single flight. Originally designed to transport the Soviet space shuttle, the Antonov An-225 later became a workhorse for transporting oversized industrial equipment, like massive turbines, generators, and even emergency relief supplies for natural disasters. From the sky, we return to Earth, to the Bagger 293, the largest mining excavator in the world. Built by Takraf in Germany, this machine began operating in 1995. It stands 96 meters tall, stretches 225 meters long, and weighs around 14,200 tons. Its primary function is to dig and move mining material on a massive scale. The Bagger 293 moves on a tracked system and looks more like a moving building than a typical machine. Finally, we dive underwater to the Typhoon-class submarine, the largest submarine in human history. Built by the Soviet Union during the Cold War, it entered service in 1981. The submarine is 175 meters long, 23 meters wide, and weighs around 48,000 tons when submerged. It was designed to carry 20 nuclear ballistic missiles and could operate for months without surfacing. To this day, the Typhoon class remains a symbol of the peak of underwater military technology, with dimensions that surpass even many surface warships. That was just a small part of the knowledge in this world. Let's keep exploring it together. Learning is addictive. Only at Educactive.